हेलो एवरीवन। अब मैं यूएनडीपी की कॉन्फ्रेंस पे जाने के लिए तैयार हो गई हूँ, सो लेट्स रोल द व्लॉग।
आपने बनाया है ये 5 है कि एडजस्ट भी नहीं है साइकोलॉजी।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम and very good morning to everyone. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahim. So today we're here to talk about youth policy, a draft youth policy of Balochistan. Okay, so I would like to talk about various aspects of digital policy. First of all, we need to implement digital literacy programs in Balochistan, and that is a legislative and regulatory programs. For example, we need to introduce IT experts on the field right now. We need to exchange our overrated curriculum, that is parts of computer, to cyber education. Cyber education should be a vital part of our curriculum. With addition, in BS we need Quranic translation, and it should be a part of the curriculum. We need to minimize the mistrust between Balochistan and the federal. For example, such various programs are being held in Balochistan recently, that is NWS, that is National Security Workshops. Such workshops should be introduced and should be supported, as known as telemedicine, because everything is going on the internet and on the online thing. So we need the healthcare sector to be converted a digital facility that is known as telemedicine for the transgender community, for the retarded community, for the youth in prison, for the youth who is not in the prison. And we need to also emphasize on capacity building programs. Capacity building is one of the major and the vital issue that we're facing nowadays, because everybody here is reading the same curriculum that is outdated and already very old. Emphasize on career counseling programs, because not doctors and engineers, although they are very great fields, people have very good opportunities in there, but there are more fields rather than that. Example, YouTubers. I myself am a YouTuber, and I would like to emphasize that there are a lot of other things that we can do rather than becoming a doctor and an engineer. To add that T20 womanship, emphasizing on sports and emphasizing on boxing. Holy Prophet ﷺ said that teach your children horse riding, archery, and swimming. We need to have such programs that it's good for our capacity building, for our mental and our physical fitness. Well, then I would like to add that we need to keep a check and balance on the business loans, because each and every year the loans came, the government changed, but there is no prosperous output that is expected and been promised like a utopia always. Loans, entrepreneurship, paid internships, and house jobs should be a vital part of this scheme. I would like to add in the youth policy draft that youth exchange programs should be held. For example, people from Russia, America, Afghanistan. Now Afghanistan has been a vital supporter. Now we need to do some cultural exchange programs, youth exchange programs from there as well. So our socio-economical stance and our socio-economical image should be elevated through such programs. I would like to add freelancing education should be introduced into our curriculum to lies. I would like to add up that education from Alibaba, education of OLX, Fiverr, Upwork, is Amazon. Amazon is a basic, vital, growing scheme for becoming a billionaire in just a less period of time. Many of the people in Balochistan, for example, one of my two friends are already working on Amazon, and they're already a billionaire right now. I would like to add that such programs should be held in our curriculum, and obviously in the digital workshops, and so that it could be accessible to the people of Gawad or the people where there is the internet facility, and when there is no internet facility, we can go for the workshops and seminars as well. I would like to add up that recognition and award ceremonies is just held in Quetta City. Why don't we conclude the recognition and award ceremonies on the exterior belts of Balochistan? For example, there were Pakistan Jubilee conferences here, but why don't we take the other participants from Gawad, Pasni, Omara, or Lasbela or Haran and other districts which I'm not mentioning? Such policies and such blockers need to block un-Islamic content on mainstream media and on social media. That is a vital part for the degeneration of youth, minds, body, and spirit. We need to encourage a higher education system in outskirts of Balochistan. we need to emphasize PhDs and MPhils over here in each and every program. Education is the vital part for any economy to grow and influence the whole world. We talk about it, but still they are like, the medical industry, they're ruling the business industry, they're ruling the online industry. We need to create platforms that encourage money making. We need to eradicate poverty. That is the main issue nowadays. We need to educate our youth not to go into the drugs, not to go into the all such type of things. We need to work on harassment for men and female both. The legislation should be coherent with both men and women rights, responsibilities, set of criteria, rule of conduct, and we need to emphasize a fair and a legal judgment after that. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me attentively.
Thank you so much.